Jay Myo Thant. Remember that name? It's a name synonymous with talent, passion, and cultural pride. Hailing from the mountainous region of Myanmar, Jay Myo Thant carries with him the rich heritage of the Lisu people. His journey, much like the soaring peaks of his homeland, is an inspiring testament to the power of embracing one's roots while reaching for the stars. From a young age, it was clear that Jay Myo Thant possessed a unique gift. His voice, clear as a mountain spring, could stir the hearts of all who listened. But he wasn't just a singer. He was a storyteller, a vessel for the ancient traditions and vibrant spirit of the Lisu people. This innate connection to his heritage became the foundation of his multifaceted artistic journey. He didn't just want to entertain, he wanted to share the beauty of his culture with the world. And share he did, through music, acting, and a spirit of unwavering cultural advocacy. Jay Myo Thant's musical journey began with the echoes of his ancestors. Traditional Lisu songs passed down through generations formed the bedrock of his musical identity. He absorbed these melodies, the rhythms woven into the fabric of his people's history. But Jay Myo Thant was not content with simply preserving the past. He sought to build bridges between tradition and modernity, incorporating contemporary sounds and styles into his music. This fusion of old and new resonated deeply with audiences. His music became a tapestry of cultural experiences, blending the soulful sounds of traditional instruments with modern arrangements. It was a testament to the evolving nature of culture, proving that tradition and innovation can coexist, creating something truly special. Jay Myo Thant's artistic talents extended beyond the realm of music. He graced the silver screen, captivating audiences with his charisma and acting prowess. His performances were a testament to his versatility, effortlessly transitioning between dramatic and comedic roles. He brought a depth of emotion to his characters, his performances resonating with viewers from all walks of life. He had a unique ability to convey complex emotions with a simple glance, a subtle shift in his expression. Whether portraying a heartbroken lover or a determined hero, Jay Myo Thant had the power to transport audiences into the heart of his characters' worlds. He used his platform to shine a light on social issues, giving a voice to the voiceless through his art. Section 4. Words that resonate with the soul. To call Jay Myo Thant just a singer or an actor would be, well, a disservice to his multifaceted talent. He was also a gifted songwriter, crafting lyrics that resonated with the soul. His songs were more than just melodies. They were stories, poems set to music. Themes of love, loss, hope, and the importance of cultural heritage were woven into his lyrics. He sang of the struggles and triumphs of his people, his words echoing with the spirit of resilience. Each verse was a testament to his deep connection to his roots. His songwriting transcended language barriers, touching the hearts of listeners worldwide. Jay Myo Thant understood that music was a universal language, a powerful tool for sharing stories and fostering understanding. A bridge between cultures. Jay Myo Thant's influence extended far beyond the stage and screen. He recognized the importance of preserving his Lisu heritage and became a passionate advocate for cultural understanding. He used his platform to raise awareness about the richness and beauty of Lisu traditions. He traveled extensively, sharing his culture through music and storytelling, building bridges between communities. He understood that knowledge is power, and he empowered others to appreciate and celebrate diversity. His efforts went beyond mere preservation. He sought to create a dialogue, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of different cultures. He believed in the power of unity, recognizing that our differences make us stronger. An enduring legacy of inspiration. Jay Myo Thant's light may have dimmed too soon, but his legacy continues to shine brightly. He left an indelible mark on the world, inspiring countless individuals to embrace their heritage and pursue their dreams relentlessly. His story is a beacon of hope, demonstrating that even amidst adversity, talent and determination can pave the way for greatness. He will forever be remembered, not only for his artistry, but also for his unwavering commitment to his people and his culture. As we celebrate the multifaceted talent of Jay Myo Thant, let us remember his message of unity, cultural pride, and the pursuit of excellence. His legacy will continue to inspire generations to come, a testament to the enduring power of art and cultural heritage. If you are big fans of Jay Myo Thant, then share his story and comment, "I'm a big fan of Jay Myo Thant." Sha Mo Wa for watching.